Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix American Express app login, sync or transaction errors. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. These errors often occur due to connectivity issues, outdated apps or account settings. Most can be fixed quickly. So the first step that you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working, or if you can, just simply tap on the Wi-Fi and try switching it between the different internet connections, or simply switch over to the cellular data and open YouTube or Google to check if the internet is working properly. If it's slow, simply switch it between Wi-Fi or mobile data. The next is to close and reopen the app. So what you can do is simply head over and open up your American Express app, and once you're inside there, what you need to do in order to close it is simply long swipe up and leave it on the middle. That will let you to the recent tab, and simply close the app and then open the app once again and try again. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over to the App Store and then on the search bar type in MX and then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. Then if that doesn't work, what you can do is also check login credentials as well. Make sure your username or email and password are correct. Reset password if needed by simply tapping on the forget password option, and ensure caps lock is off and you are using the correct email as well. Then these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.